Hi, good morning. Welcome to Fundamental Calls. So today in this video we will see how to pick intraday stocks for tomorrow using Equisys and Money Control website. So before going into the topic, I will request you to please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon for notifications. So let us see what is the time now. So the current time is around 7:55 a.m. and the today's date is 26th March 2021. Okay, so to use this strategy, first of all open Equisys intraday signals page. Okay, so I will also provide the link in the description. You can use this. So first of all open this Equisys intraday signals page. So there we have a lot of screeners available where you can see there are a lot of screeners available here. So based on this, how we are going to trade? First of all, observe how SGX Nifty is trading. Okay, so as you can see that SGX Nifty is around trading around at above 122 points. So which is positive for today's market. Okay, that means it shows that today's market is going to open in green signal. Okay, so let us see previous day signals. So here we have different types of screeners available. From these screeners, as today's market is going to be in positive side, that is in bullish side. So let us see what are the bullish and bearish stocks available. In general, bullish stocks identified by Equisys are Federal Bank, ICICI Bank, LIC Housing Finance, LT, Tata Steel. So let us look at Federal Bank first. So yesterday also Federal Bank closed on positive side only, and the last 5 days movement is also positive. And 1 month view is also negative. 1 month view is negative. 6 months view is positive, and 1 year view is also positive. So we can see that Federal Bank is also one of the good option for intraday. Next one is ICICI Bank. So let us see how ICICI Bank is also behaving. As you can see, ICICI Bank also closed on a positive side only yesterday. So, but its 5 days view is negative, 1 month view is also negative, 1 year view is positive. So, as we can see, yesterday it is closed on positive side only. Next one, what is the next share? LIC Housing Finance. So LIC Housing Finance share is also positive side, and Tata Steel, LT and Tata Steel, LT. Next one, Tata Steel. See, from these are the 5 stocks which we have obtained from the Equisys screener. So as you can see, LT is very fluctuating. So please avoid this stock. Next one, Tata Steel, LIC Housing Finance, ICICI Bank and Federal Bank. In general, we have ICICI Bank which is moving very fastly. Okay. In general, in the real-time market, ICICI moves 1 point that side and 1 point this side very fastly. So keep this point in your mind before trading in ICICI Bank. And let us talk about Tata Steel. See, nowadays we have demand in the market for steel industry. So steel prices are coming up. So we can see Tata Steel is a good option for intraday buy. Okay. And next, Federal Bank. See, some news is coming on different types of banking sector about the monetization tools. Whether they have to Supreme Court recently saying some news on moratorium. So thereby the banks are little bit fluctuating now these days. So my suggestion is to avoid this type of stocks. Okay, banking stocks. If you have clear clarity, you can go on that side. But if you have any doubt, please avoid these stocks. And next, see this stock, Tata Steel. Very good news is there for steel industry, for metals like Tata Steel, NMDC, etc., etc. Okay, so which is a good option to go. And next one, so what happens if the market opens in green and comes down? So it is very important to identify the movement of the market. So if the market is currently, see this SGX Nifty first. So present SGX Nifty is trading above 125 points of the previous closed market. Okay. So if the Nifty opens above this SGX Nifty, what is trading today? That means if at 9:15 a.m. market opened above 457 500 14,572 points. Okay, we can go on positive side. If the market opened below SGX Nifty price that of today, we have to go on negative side. I think you understand what I am saying. See, the SGX Nifty is trading at 14,572. So if the market opened above SGX Nifty price, we have to go on positive side. And if the market opens below the SGX Nifty and coming down, then we have to see that market is in downside. So we have to observe and trade. Okay. So for positive side, I am selecting Tata Steel because of the news we have and also because of the signals we have. Okay. Next one, see money control also. Open money control once. In the money control, go to market section. Okay. Here in the markets, scroll down and come to delivery stats. Okay, so here in the delivery stats I am going to select NSE. I am interested in NSE so that the volume will be clearly visible. So I am selecting Nifty 100. So Tata Steel. So CX 200 I will select. Still Tata Steel is not available. Okay. So Tata Steel is not available there. So I am directly coming to the Tata Steel home page of in money control. So here we select this price and volume. So here we can see that today's delivery volume for Tata Steel is around 34 lakhs, which is 8.9575%. Both for NSE and BSE combined together, it is 8.75%, which is actually reducing from previous day. So on the previous day, it is 19.77, but today only 8.75% only. No problem. So if the market is on positive side, that means if the Nifty open above the XGX Nifty, go for buying side in Tata Steel. If the what happens if the market opens below XGX Nifty and the Nifty is coming down, so we have to go for sell side. So for that to again open EQSys page. Okay. So see here again. See, remember one this. If the Nifty opened below SGX Nifty and if the market is coming down, then only we have to go on selling side. If the market opened above SGX Nifty and if the market is going up, go for buy side. So at which time, sir, which time is better to take a trade for intraday? So generally it is recommended to take a trade above 9:45 a.m. Don't trade and don't go for harsh trading below before 9:30 a.m. Okay, so market is more volatile. You want to risk, you can take risk. You want to go for a smoother side of intraday trading, trade above 9:45 a.m. Okay, if the market, so that the market will cool down and we can know the trading signals. Okay, so next, if the market is opened below SGX Nifty and market is coming down, then we have to see what are the bearish stocks. and also top traded stocks. Okay, so like this in general we can keep a screener. So the only stock coming is Jubilant Food. So Jubilant Food is also falling down. Yesterday, this is yesterday's chart. As you can see that Jubilant Food is coming down, and as you can see, the current situation of this Jubilant Food is, so it is trading in a range, and also it is approximately 35 degrees signal, okay, which is growing on. So as we can see, observe here we can see that it is just touching the trend line, and it is trying to come up. So but the bearers are trying to keep this down only. Okay, so next what is the next step we have to do? So see, it is closed around the pivot point here, okay, below the pivot point. If, see, I am again and again saying, if it opens below, if it is opened below previous day's low, that means yesterday the low is 2810. Yesterday the low is 2810. If Jubilant Food opens below 2810, or if Jubilant Food opens and doesn't cross previous day's low only, then you can trade in this stock. Okay, that means, for example, if Jubilant Food opened at 2800, previous day low is 2810, today it is opened at 2800. So, and it is trying to move up. Okay, if it move up and touches previous day low, or it is not maintaining at previous day low and coming down, then only you have to go for selling side in this type of stock. Otherwise you have to see the buying side only for this type of stock. Why? Because it is just touching the trend line, and it closed below the trend line only, but actually as per the trend line it should go up. Okay, so if Jubilant Food opened below 2810 and doesn't crosses previous day low, then only you have to go for selling side. I think it is understandable to you. Okay, so two stocks we have identified. First one is Jubilant Food, Tata Steel for buying side, and Jubilant Food for selling side. Okay, so when Jubilant should sell, when it is open below previous day's low, we have to go for selling side. And in Tata Steel, what is the rule for buying? If the market opened above XGX Nifty, which is trading at currently 150 points, 120 points higher, if the market opened above SGX Nifty, and if the market is trying to come up only, okay, then you have to trade in Tata Steel in the fast to sell. Okay, so like that we have to trade by using Equisys intraday signals. So I hope everyone understand this video and like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, and also like this video, share this video, and also share our channel. Thank you for watching.